Did you know about this Hausa lettuce salad called KWADON lettuce? It is very easy to make, so delicious. I want to share the recipe with you today. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Without wasting time, let's make local Hausa lettuce salad. For this recipe, you're going to need some lettuce. I have washed my own lettuce, so I'm just going to chop into smaller sizes. This is a salad that I enjoyed growing up with my friends in Kaduna State a lot. Each person just come with different ingredients and then we just add everything up. We didn't even have to buy lettuce. You could just go to the farm and tell the farmer that you need lettuce. Yes, without money and you will get a lot of lettuce. Such beautiful memories. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, I welcome you specially and I hope that you will subscribe and join us more permanently so that you can see more of my recipes. I promise it is going to be worth your time. Done chopping up the lettuce, now I'm going to cut up some tomatoes, about 2 medium sizes of tomatoes, sliced nicely like this. Done with the tomatoes as well, so I'm going to slice off half a small onion. I don't like a lot of onion in my lettuce salad. Now done chopping up everything, it's time to put this KWADON lettuce salad together. Starting with the lettuce, I added that in a bowl. I also added the tomatoes, the onions. I also sliced up half a medium-sized cucumber, which I also added to this. I'm making just this bowl for my mouth alone. Now let me tell you, the dressing for this local lettuce salad is what makes it special. Yes, kulikuli is what is used for the dressing. Normal kulikuli, you just grind it into fine powder and that's what I have here. You can pound, you can blend it up in the blender. So this will go into the salad I am putting together alongside some stock cube. Yes, Maggi. You don't have to use this if you don't want, but it is the original way of making KWADON lettuce, so just a little bit alongside salt, yaji, yes, the suya pepper, a little bit of oil, and that's all. Just mix everything together. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you know this salad recipe already, please let me know. I would like to know. Or if it reminds you of some time that you spent maybe in the north, or your time while you were young, let me know. I just want to know. This brings back a lot of memories for me. Usually after mixing your local Hausa lettuce salad together like this, it is ready to be eaten. But I took it one step further by adding suya just because I have leftover suya. So if you want to make yours, you can stop at this point. But if you can get your hands on suya, please go ahead and add it. It adds some good protein boost and extra deliciousness to this salad bowl. And just like that, we have just made the Hausa local lettuce salad, also called KWADON lettuce. Let me know in the comments if this is something you're willing to try, but I tell you, this is really good. Not just because I am used to it, but imagine having peanut butter in your salad. This is very good. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. I will see you with another recipe soon. Bye bye.